The dedication of the Lateran Basilica. Today, even religious organizations and communities are being used by unscrupulous leaders and their members to advance their business and political agenda. Churches are even treated as backdrop for photo ops. Many preachers preach prosperity gospel. They deceive people into investing their money into their corporations and convert them into money makers more than becoming authentic disciples of Christ. We are reminded again that our churches, beautiful or so, should be venues to cultivate deep communion with God. The world is watching us. Even the unbelievers question why we are abusing our sacred place. We are turning them into a den of scammers and networkers. Please like and subscribe.